Elevate your cliffside living. Seamless design with slim frame aluminum wood doors. Perched on New Zealand's dramatic coastlines or rugged hills, cliffside homes offer breathtaking vistas and a unique connection to nature. However, these locations present distinct challenges: relentless winds, salt spray, and moisture demand resilient materials, while maximizing views and maintaining interior warmth are paramount. This is where the elegance and innovation of slim-frame aluminum wood doors shine indoors. Crafted for modern architectural precision, our aluminum wood doors feature exceptionally narrow sightlines, creating a near-invisible barrier that amplifies your connection to the stunning outdoors. The clean, minimalist frames allow panoramic views to become the focal point of any room, seamlessly extending living spaces visually. Beyond aesthetics, the robust aluminum exterior cladding provides superior protection against coastal corrosion, ensuring longevity despite harsh elements. Inside, the warm, genuine wood veneer adds natural texture and acoustic insulation, fostering a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Designed for effortless indoor-outdoor flow, these doors facilitate smooth transitions to decks or patios. Perfect for embracing New Zealand's lifestyle, their superior thermal performance helps maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, complementing the home's energy efficiency. Choose a statement pivot entry or sleek sliding systems. Each option marries strength with sophistication, turning functional openings into works of art. Transform your cliffside residence. Our slim-profile aluminum wood doors don't just connect spaces, they redefine them, blending resilience with timeless design for a living experience that is as robust as it is radiant.